want to talk about this 1800 watt dual burner hot plate that Techwood sent me to do a video on. First of all, taking a look at it right out the box, it's simple. You get the instructions right there and the main unit, and it's sharp looking. The one that I got is black, and the operation is simple. You've got two knobs that are going to control the temperature of the two burners. Additionally, right back there is the on-off switch, and it's a piece of cake. Tonight, I'm doing up a flat iron steak. I've got it all seasoned, and also going to be some frying up some potatoes as well. So starting, getting it fired up, I've got a little bit of oil in the pan that I'm going to melt down, and it only took a couple minutes, and now the potato goes in. You can hear them getting a good sear, which is good. It means that oil got good and hot, which is exactly what you're looking for. It sounds really good. It's had no problem getting up to temperature. Starting to get a little bit of brown there, you can see. And next I'm going to put the steak in and give that a little bit of time. Now, who's this going to be good for? Pretty much anyone. I'm thinking it's going to be fantastic if you like to camp potentially, if you're in an RV, maybe in an apartment or in a dorm situation might be very helpful. But it certainly does a great job. You can see right there, the steak is almost ready. I've got great char on it. Taking it off, cutting it up, and you can take a look. It came out fantastic. This is a great product. I think this would be really good for anyone who, like I said, in one of the situations I mentioned earlier. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself, click on the link in the description below.